Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI.
I just have to show you this gorgeous chandelier I got. It's the Box 6 Light Modern Gold Globe chandelier, and I am in love. What really stands out to me are the clear glass globes. This is real glass, it's not just plastic. They look so elegant, and I love that the pendants can drop so you can adjust the height perfectly for your space, like over a kitchen island or the dining table. The brushed brass finish gives it a warm, modern feel with a touch of mid century charm. And what's even better is that they even match my side table lamps, so everything in the room feels cohesive and stylish. It was pretty easy to install, and honestly, just having it in the room makes the whole space feel brighter and more inviting. Overall, I'm really happy with this piece. It's chic, functional, and just adds that extra wow factor to my home. Definitely a favorite in my space now.
And that's my point of view.